These are young green plants called soko in Nigeria and pong in Manu, Cameroon. We are nursing them here. These are mature soko and pong, very leafy vegetables, medicinal as well. Their flowers and their seeds have been used in the treatment of diarrhea and chest pain. They are very, very, very healthy. Of course, this is cocoyams here. The leaves are medicinal and are also part of staples in Cameroon. And pumpkins are actually flourishing here. They also just started to flower, as you can see here. We hope to give the young greens to community farmers, women groups and so on, so that they can actually plant and improve on access to healthy vegetables in Cameroon. And we also have to scale up in another project as well. Thank you for watching our activities towards food security in Cameroon and Africa. I'm Arrey Mbongaya.